Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing 2 USB sticks, one bootable with the Windows 11 ISO and a second with the drivers. This ensures the installer can access driver files when prompted. Make the driver stick FAT32 for UEFI compatibility. Once done, boot the target PC into UEFI and disable Secure Boot only if unsigned drivers will be loaded. Make sure you note SATA mode, OSI, or RAID, because the correct driver depends on it. Now boot the Windows installer and proceed to the install screen. When the installer shows no drives, click Load Driver and browse to the driver USB. You need to select the folder containing the appropriate inf. This tells Windows which driver to bind to the storage controller. If multiple drivers appear, pick the chipset or storage controller matching your SATA/RAID mode. This is why you noted it earlier. Once you select and click OK, wait for Windows to load the driver. The list will populate, and the target disk should become visible so you can continue installation. After the disk appears, continue the installation and let Windows complete setup. Then install full chipset and storage drivers within the OS for stability. If the disk still does not appear, switch the driver USB to a USB 2.0 port or try a different driver version. Newer isn't always better. As a troubleshooting tip, boot a Windows PE or Recovery USB and check Disk Part and Device Manager to confirm the controller is recognized. This helps you isolate whether the issue is driver, port, or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.